it's Christmas. So first of all, Merry Christmas. Hello, beautiful people. So today is our last vlog of Vlogmas. What did I do this week? It's Christmas. So first of all, Merry Christmas. But what did I do this week? I went to my regular brunch place with a couple co-workers just to do a little bit of a celebration. I got a turkey bacon BLT. It was so good. One thing I love about this place that I go to is that nothing is basic, right? So you're not gonna get like a turkey BLT with just mayo. It's gonna be some kind of like spruced up kind of mayo, and I think it was a cranberry mayo. Amazing. And then I got a chai latte, and I don't know what they put in that chai latte because I've had chai lattes before, especially from either Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts. But this one that I had, they're good, the ones from Dunkin's and Starbucks, but this one, I don't know what it was. It's like their cream was different, the tea was different. It was really, really good. I loved it. I love the vibe. Per usual, seeing that I go there often, especially as of late, I've just been there nonstop. It was so good. Did I do this week? Worked, of course, and then I did some shopping, and I tried this new drink from Starbucks. It's called a sugar cookie iced latte, but they add oat milk to it. Another thing that I would highly recommend. Where is it? I actually have one now. It's somewhere. It's almost done. I got it earlier today. But yeah, Merry Christmas again. I left a couple things that I'm gonna open with you guys. I hope you guys are spending time with your family today. For those of you that celebrated yesterday, some people do celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to you guys again. Happy holidays. Let's see what this is that I'm gonna open with you guys. What is this? So, what is... I'm excited for this. I'm actually gonna take my glasses off. I got this pimple. I pick my face, guys. It's something that I need to do better with. Like, I need to stop picking my face, but I got another little dark spot there. But look what I got. Let me see if it'll focus. I got the replica by the fireplace perfume, or fragrance. Some people call it fragrance. I call it perfume. Excited about this. I am so friggin' excited. So I first smelled this and I showed it to my husband. I first smelled this. I got like the set. I actually opened it my last, which Vlogmas was it? I think it was week 1 or week 2. I opened like I showed you guys that I picked up the little trial sizes, and this was one of my favorite scents, so I wanted it so bad. It was sold out everywhere, so the fact that I have this, I'm so excited. Again, it's the whispers in, let's get it to focus. It's the whispers in the library. Oh my god, I'm gonna like spray some on right now. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. It's like this, like I love the musky smell. Oh my god. So it says fragrance description, paper and waxed wood. It's a female and male fragrance, which honestly, if it wasn't a female fragrance, I would still wear it. It smells so good. And for the period, like the time, it says Oxford 1997. Oh, it's so good. Like, I cannot say enough about, I'm so excited. I cannot, like, I'm gonna stop talking about it because I am so obsessed. Then there's something else that I got. It wasn't wrapped, which is perfectly fine. It's just in the packaging. Pardon my phone call. Hello. Yeah. All right, let me open this. I hope I'm not, let me just be careful because I'm not sure how this is opening. But anyways, I hope you guys spend time with family and loved ones. That's like the most important. The time that you spend with family, you know, giving to others. I know some people think it's all about the presents. To me, it's really not. I can care less about presents. I think sometimes it's because, like, throughout the year I purchase things, or I like get things throughout the year, so I definitely value time. Even apart from gifts and things like that, like, my friends know I value time. Time is very important to me because you don't get it back. Memories are very important to me. Loved ones, very important. So I hope you guys spent time with your loved ones. Let's see what, oh my god, am I ripping? What is this? What the hell? I hope I'm not, I don't even know what I'm doing. I can't open it. Guys, I don't know what in the world is, I can't open it. Like, what? Oh. All right, I got one side. Let's fight a little. What is this? Look at where it's from. Look at where it's from. So you get a, I'm not sure what that is, cute little Gucci little shopping bag. That's cute. I like it, like it a lot. And this is the cute little packaging. Let's see what this is. Just taking this off. Okay. Things are just like falling out everywhere. Let's see what this is. I have a feeling I know what it is. I have a feeling I know exactly what this is. I'm like wanting to show you guys, but I also want to just enjoy opening whatever. I know what it is. I know what it is. How beautiful. Oh my god, what size are these? These are 39, which is my size. In mules, I wear like a 38 and a half. But we'll see how these fit. I'm like so excited. So I wanted these. I made a video on like the hacker project and like my thoughts on it, and like my thoughts I don't think they're that different. I still like, it's meh to me. Like, it's just meh. There are some things that I do like from the collection. It's still weird and different to me, so I don't think I would get it still, but like the more I see it, and I think I mentioned it in that video, sometimes I'm the person that if you continuously put something in front of me, it almost like grows on me. And something that has grown on me is the jacket. I think it's the jacket with the big huge monogram on it. I really like it, and it's in black too. I think I've seen it in like black and silver. So nice. But this kind of reminds me of the jacket, like the huge monogram. I love it. I love just the details on these. So you get the small GG on here, and then you get the large. How? I can't wait. I cannot wait. I'm gonna try these on. I want to see if they fit. They fit perfect. So I would definitely say that they're true to size. Do I want to pick my leg up and show you guys? Let me see. Like, pardon my feet if they're like all ashy. They're ashy. Yep, they're ashy. I'm not going to show you guys. Like, no, forget it. I'm not going to show you guys on here. I'm going to try to get some footage and insert it in here, but oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, apart from that, Merry Christmas everyone. I hope you enjoy the holidays. New Year's is still coming. I hope you got the things that you wanted. Most of all, like I said, I hope you spent time with family, that you're around family right now, around loved ones, eating and just enjoying time, taking pictures for memories, all that kind of stuff. Remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. See you in the next video.